In this video, I will guide you how you can display variants as separate products on the Shopify collection page. So first of all, what you need to do is to simply go to the online store and select your particular theme. Now what you need to do is to simply click on the three dots and make sure to duplicate your theme so that if something goes wrong you would have a backup file of your Shopify theme. Now once you have made a backup, you just need to click on the three dots and click on the edit code. Now you don't need to worry about, as I have leave all the code in the description below. So first of all, you need to start by clicking on snippet and click on add a new snippet. Now what you need to type is simply card variant. Just type this and then click on the done button. Now after creating a new snippet, you just need to go to the link in the description below and simply press Ctrl A. This is a Google Docs file, so you just need to copy and paste it in the code just like so. Make sure if there are any gaps on the top to remove them as well. So once you are done, click on the save on the top right corner of your screen, and once you have saved the card variant.liquid, next step is you need to simply go to the section and you just need to scroll down until you see the option of main collection product grid.liquid. Now what you need to do is to simply press Ctrl F, but make sure to click anywhere on the code and then press Ctrl F. Now what you need to search is card product. Simply search for this just like so and click on next button. After that, you just need to scroll a little bit down and you need to make sure to select this particular piece of code and remove this. Once you are done, you just need to again click on the link in the description below and you need to now copy the main collection product grid code. Simply copy the code and then you just need to paste it right here. Once you are done, click on the save button, but before saving you need to also make sure to scroll up a little bit. So you just need to now scroll up a little bit until you see this 159, which is color. So make sure that it is same as the name of your variant. In this case it is color, so you need to make sure it is also in the capital or whatever it is, let's say material or style. Make sure to follow this. So then click on the save button on the top right corner, and now if I click on the three dots and click on the customize theme, or you can now simply preview your store directly. And now if I go for my catalog and select my product, as you can see I have products of the same variant in the different styling. So that's the way of how you can display variants as separate product in Shopify collection page.